Hello. Do I have something on my head? And there's Horton. You guys remember Horton from Horton Hears the Who and Horton Answers the Egg? Horton says, hi. He's lonely and bored without you guys. Okay, let's do our lesson number 3 for the day. Sorry, your teacher is silly. Okay, here's our oral vocabulary words. We have project, something you work on, such as writing a report or drawing a picture. When we finish our art projects, we can display them so everyone can see them. Structure, something that has been built, such as a house or a bridge. Jasper likes to build different kinds of structures with his blocks. Contented, you are pleased or happy. Josh felt contented after he won the prize. Intend, you are planning to do something. I intend to play basketball after school today. Marvelous, it is wonderful or excellent. The fruit salad tastes marvelous. Okay, here's our phonics. We're going to blend the words. Boiled, boiled. Join, join. Point, point. Hoist, hoist. Oist, moist. Joy, joy. Joints, joints. Oil, oil. Enjoys, enjoys. Hoisted, hoisted, hoisted. Joyful, joyful. Soy, soy. Boy, boy. Boil, boil. Broil, broil. When you broil something such as meat, you cook it on really high temperature. Ouse, mouse. Oist, moist. Oast, most. Apple, apple. Remember that stable syllable that we talked about, the LE, which joins the final consonant. So let's break it up. We would say apple, apple. The next word is candle, 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 candle. Now we have table, 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 table. Puzzle, 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 puzzle. Bundle, 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 bundle. Purple, 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 purple. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Title, title, title. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Okay, let's read the sentences which contain a lot of our OI digraph, the OI and OY digraph that we're working on this week. Roy spoke in a loud voice. Roy and voice both have the OI and OY digraph. The boy enjoys noisy toys. Wow, a lot there. Boys, enjoys, noisy, and toys all have the OI and OY. Okay, here's our structural analysis, the stable syllable. When you see a consonant plus LE, spelling at the end of a word, the consonant plus LE stay in the same syllable. The letters LE make the sound O. Okay. So the first one we have is middle. This right here is called the final stable syllable. Divide each word into syllables and identify the final syllable and then the word. So we have little. So toll with the LE and the consonant T is the stable syllable. Little. Uncle, uncle. So we have k-o is the stable syllable. Uncle. Now we have eagle. So goal is a stable syllable, and the word is eagle. Eagle. Oh gosh, I missed one. Now the stable syllable on this word is fable. So the bull is a stable syllable, and the word is fable. Fable. And then we have jungle. Jungle. Goal is the stable syllable, and the word is jungle. Let's go through our spelling words. We have spoil. Spoil. The apple is spoiled. Bitcoin. This is a new coin. Join. Tim wants to join the baseball team. Joy. Pretending to be a cowboy brought so much joy. Toy. The baby had a toy clown. Boy. The boy learned to tie his shoe. Town. This is a review word. There are many buildings in the town, or ow, O-W. There's another way to spell ow. Mouse, ow, O-U. The mouse came in our house. And build. Dad is building us a new house. Fall. The fall made Pete cry. Okay, let's go over our our high frequency words. We have above. Gosh, I'm right in the way. Let's try that again. Above, build, fall, new, money, toward, color, early, instead, nothing, oh, but. Okay, let's read some sentences to help us with our fluency. So fluency means you read slow but steady, or not slow, I guess, at a quicker pace and steady. She knew she needed more money. They can build a bridge over the river. Why did I say over? They can build a bridge above the river. Above. I need to be back in school. He ran toward the girl when he saw her fall. Okay, some more vocabulary words for us to work on. Balance. It can stay in place without falling. I can balance a coin on my fingertip. Section. A small part of something bigger. The book bag has a section for pens and pencils. Okay, let's work a bit on the prepositions in sentences. And the prepositions are in, of, and toward we'll be working with. Oh, so it wants us to write sentences. So what could be a sentence that you could use with the prepositions in, of, and toward? Can you think of a few sentences? I'll give you a minute. I'm going to write some too. Okay, here are some of the sentences I came up with. The bus is heading toward the school. So toward is our preposition which joins the bus is heading and the school. And then for in, I used he sits in the van. So in joins he sits and the van. And then for of, I used most of the kids are gone. So of joins most and the kids are gone. So hopefully you wrote some sentences to share as well. I hope you, sorry, we forgot to talk about abbreviations again. So remember, abbreviations are used in a title for people. So MR stands for Mr. and MRS stands for Mrs. And then MS stands for Miss and DR stands for Doctor. So remember, abbreviation begins with a capital letter and then it ends with a period. So let's fix a few sentences. So here is our sentence to fix. Mr. and Mrs. King live on my street. So they capitalized the last name King. Look at Mr. What is it missing? Remember, an abbreviation ends with a period, so we need a period here. And then Mrs. begins, an abbreviation begins with a capital, ends with a period. So Mrs. needs that. Capital and period on Mrs. as well. Okay, I hope you're having a great day. I will hopefully see you soon.